So this is Hot Toys Iron Man 3 Cosbi Bobblehead Collection. Let's unbox our first blind box. So this is the collectible card, and we have Iron Man Mark IV. We also have a base, and we have the Cosbi bobblehead figurine. Here's a closer look at this Iron Man Mark IV. Nice detail there. Great metallic matte finishing. Nice. Now let's open blind box number 2. Let's see what's inside this. I think this is Iron Man Mark VI. Let's take a look at the card inside and the base. Yep, I'm right. It's Iron Man Mark VI. So this is the collectible card. We also have the base for Iron Man Mark VI. So here's the figurine, Iron Man Mark VI. So each figurine is around 7 to 7.5 cm tall. You can see it here. Yeah, so each figurine is around 7 to 7.5 cm tall. And in inches is around 3 inches tall. So here's a closer look at the details of this Iron Man Mark VI Cosbi bobblehead. Very chibi and cute version of Iron Man. Let's go now to our third blind box. War Machine. Cool. Nice. This is War Machine's collectible card. You also have a special stand base. And here's the chibi looking War Machine. Great addition to this weaponry here. Nice. Love the detailings on his guns, on his hands. As you can see, there are great details on the suit as well. This could be one of my favorite from this series. War Machine. Off to our fourth blind box here for Cosbi Iron Man 3 Bobblehead Collection. Iron Man Mark III. I think this is Iron Man Mark III. Oh, very shiny Iron Man there. Here's a collectible card. it's Iron Man Mark III. So here's the stand, goes with the figure. Here's our Cosbi bobblehead, Iron Man Mark III. A little bit more shinier compared to the previous one that we unboxed. You can see we have the same great detailing. Kinda liking the shiny finishing here. So this is Iron Man Mark III. So far, we've opened 4 Cosbi figurines, so let's go to our 5th blind box. It's Iron Man Mark. This is Iron Man Mark II. Here's the collectible card and base for Iron Man Mark II. Closer look at the silver, shiny Cosbi bobblehead figurine from Hot Toys. Again, this is Iron Man Mark II. Let's go and unbox our 6th blind box. And you have Iron Man Mark I, the classic looking Iron Man, nice. Here's the card. The base stand. Classic Iron Man suit. Mark I. Oh. Love the details here behind. I think this has more details compared to the previous suits. Love the shape of this chibi Iron Man Mark I, and this would be my favorite from the series. We have 2 left, so let's unbox this blind box here. Here. Iron Man Mark V. Oh. Stone. Red and silver Iron Man. Here's Iron Man Mark V. Better looking helmet with lots of details. There are some like linings on the mask itself. And did you notice that most of the Iron Men have like expressions, and I think this suit somehow he's frowning. Love the details those on the suit. Nice, great touches. So here's Iron Man Mark V. Let's go straight to our next box. This could be our last blind box, or maybe not, from the Cosbi Iron Man 3 Bobblehead Collection. this is Iron Man Mark VII. This is the latest suit. In this Cosbi bobblehead collection, we might get more Cosbi Iron Man soon from Hot Toys, so watch out. A closer look at Iron Man Mark VII. You can see he's really upgraded his suit here. He's shiny. More details on the suit as well. You have this gold, silver lining here. Such a cute figurine. Iron Man Mark VII. Wait, we have one more to unbox in this Iron Man 3 Cosbi bobblehead collection. And it could be a mystery character right here. Oh, the Iron Monger. So here's the special card for this mystery figure, Iron Monger. This is the scent and the figurine. Massive cuteness here. Great details as well. For this Cosbi Iron Monger.